Okay, first graders, the rest of this week for math, we are going to review 3D shapes. So let's look at what we're doing today. Today we are starting with just giving the names of the 3D shapes. Okay, and so they have the names listed down here. And all of these we've already talked about, except for one, which did show up in a couple questions, but we never got its name. Okay, so we'll see what that is when we get to it. Okay, so first of all, what shape do we have here? This is a cube. Okay, so go ahead and we'll cross off cube and we'll put it on here. Okay, so just go through each of these shapes and write down the name. And then there's a challenge question. Which shape is the only shape that can roll? So that means there's a round side to it. Stack, which means it has a bottom and a top. And slide, which means it has flat sides. So think which of the shapes can roll, stack, and slide, and write the name of that shape on this line. Okay, and then these answers will be there for you tomorrow to check and see if you got them all right. Okay, the other part we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to draw a cube. So here we will start with just drawing a square. So we can trace that square, and then we're going to come down here and we are going to do it on our own as well and draw a square. Okay. The next step is to draw a second square that overlaps the first square in just one part. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to draw my second square and it overlaps the first. Okay. The next step is to connect these corners that are across from each other. Corner to corner, corner to corner. Okay. And then we are going to connect the corners that got crossed over with their outside. So out and in, out and in, outside to inside, outside to inside. And there you have drawn a cube. Can you try it again on your own? Okay. And that's all we're doing for today. Bye.